Reading and Use of English Part 5. Part 5 of the Reading and Use of English paper contains 6 multiple-choice questions based on a single text. Your task will be to read the text and answer the multiple-choice questions correctly. Each question in this part will be followed by 4 possible options: A, B, C, or D. Only one option will be the correct answer. Each correct answer in this part receives 2 marks. The reading may be an excerpt from an article or a modern novel. The multiple-choice questions may ask you about certain details in the text or about general ideas or opinions expressed. Some multiple-choice questions may also ask you to deduce the meaning of a word or phrase by examining the context in which the word or phrase is used. The multiple-choice questions will be presented in the same order as in the text. In other words, the information needed to answer the first question will be contained within first part of the reading. The information needed to answer the second question will be contained within second part of the reading, and so on. It is only in the final question that you may be asked to consider the entire text as a whole. Let's try an example together. Since we are looking at the structure of Part 5, we will only consider a very small sample of the text. In the actual test, the reading will be much longer. Now let's look at the multiple-choice question. What is the purpose of the average soup kitchen today? A. To sell cheap meals to those in difficulty. B. To serve just one type of soup. C. To give better quality meals to poor people. D. To offer a basic hot meal to those who cannot afford to pay for it. First of all, we need to know that the former refers to the first thing mentioned, which is soup kitchens. The first thing the text mentions about soup kitchens is that they provide people with a free meal. So we know A cannot be correct because soup kitchens don't sell anything. B cannot be correct either. While the text does explain the origins of the term soup kitchen, which got its name because such establishments originally served only soup and bread, that was hundreds of years ago. Today, soup kitchens can serve any meal. Option C cannot be correct because it describes the latter, which means the second thing mentioned. In the text, the latter refers to soul kitchens. Soul kitchens offer classier meals to the poor. This leaves us with D. The purpose of a soup kitchen is to offer a basic hot meal to those who cannot afford to pay for it. If you were taking the test, you would now fill in the lozenge under the letter D on the answer sheet. Tips: don't be fooled by word spotting. That is, choosing a multiple-choice option because it contains the same word or words that are in the text. The correct answer may not contain the exact same words as in the text, but instead use synonymous words. So, make sure you read all the possible answers and base your selection on the meaning of the answer, not on the specific words used.